Hi everyone, today we're gonna learn on casting defects. There are a few types of casting defects. They can be of gas defects, molding material defects, pouring metal defects, and also metallurgical defects. As for gas defects, there are actually three types. They can be blowholes, air inclusion, or even pinhole porosity. Blowholes are actually spherical, flattened, elongated cavity inside or on the inside surface. On surface, it is called as an open blow. Air inclusion is actually an atmospheric or other gases that are absorbed by the molten metal in the furnace and those that cannot escape. Pinhole porosity is actually a formation of bubbles within the casting after the molten metal has cooled. Below, you can see the pictures for blowholes, air inclusion, and also pinhole porosity. Next, we're going to go on molding material defects. There are also three types of molding material defects. They can be of cuts and washes, metal penetration, and also fusion. For cuts and washes, there are actually rough spots and areas excess of metal that are caused by the erosion of sand molding. Metal penetration are actually molten metal that enter the gaps between the sand. Fusion are actually fusion of sand grains with molten metal, giving a brittle glassy appearance on the casting surface. Next, we're going to learn on pouring metal defect. For pouring metal defect, it can be of a misrun, hole shuts, or even slag inclusion. Misrun are actually metal that are unable to fill the mold cavity completely. Hole shuts are two metal streams not fused together properly, causing a discontinuity or a weak spot. Slag inclusions are actually irregular shape of a non-metallic inclusions caused by the oxide content of the charge, too high, and poor slag practice. Below you can see a picture of the misrun, hole shuts, and also slag inclusion. Next, we're going to learn on metallurgical defect. Metallurgical defect has two types. It can be of a hot tear or hot spots. Hot tear are actually unwanted stress during the cooling causing ruptures. Hot spots are actually caused by the chilling of the casting chilled surface. Below you can see a picture of the hot tear